She wants to be a firefighter woman because she wants to help many people. Risa Laika P. Tolosa, future firefighter. With each spark, refuse metal and mastery, crafting connections that endure and structures that inspire. He is the son of Mr. and Mrs. Agapito T. Chato. His passion for welding arise from the ability to create tangible results with one's hand. He also enjoys the challenge of mastering different welding techniques and tackling complex projects across diverse industries. P.L. Chato, future welder. Veterinarian don't just treat animals, they treat the people who love them. She is the daughter of Mr. Ricardo M. Rosa. Her passion towards veterinary medicine began in her early childhood by an incredible fascination with animals and their well-being. Ashley C. Rosa, future veterinarian. Dedicated to serve, committed to protect. He is the son of Mr. and Mrs. Ronnie L. Alejandra. He always been passionate about serving our community, and he is excited to contribute to keeping people safe, ensuring justice, and helping those in need. Aljor M. Alejandra, future policeman. Be strong, act first, and be someone's hero. She is the only daughter of Miss the Army D. Ruas. She wants to help many people, especially in taking out criminals to its proper place.
Sana all.
Because she truly believes in making a difference in our community. Beyond me, D. Ruas, future police woman. Service with pride, protection with honor. He is the son of Mr. and Mrs. Bernabé O. Alejandra. His passion for this career can stem from a desire to serve the community, make a difference, and uphold the law. He always been passionate about serving our community, and he is excited to contribute to keeping people safe, ensuring justice, and helping those in need. Ken Brian B. Alejandra, future policeman. Defending the innocent, upholding the law. She is a daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Michael E. Alejandra. Seeing people safe
Sana all
and secure,
tambok.
knowing she played a part in that would be incredibly rewarding. She wants someone
Jaro.
can rely on. Someone who helps create a more
Jaro.
peaceful and just society. Queenie S. Alejandra, future police woman.
Marvin.
Upholding the law of fairness, justice, and equality for all.